Let's go on.
What's that? Oh, I have Stormy weather in front of me. I don't know where the other cards are. Barbara, can we get some coffee?
We're getting it, Fran.
All right, thank you.
You're doing stormy weather?
Yeah.
Okay, anytime. Brass. You are now hearing Fran Warren warming up at the beginning of a recording session, prior to our making the first actual take.
All I do is pray the Lord above will let me
Watch her.
walk in the sun once more. Can't go on. Everything I had is gone. Stormy weather. Sorry.
Okay, hold it. Hugo.
Yeah.
Will you move the baritone and the lower sax back
I
just
made
a
my
shade, and the
mistake right here,
first
Charlie.
sax is in a little bit.
Yeah.
Fran, Barbara, here, what do you want? The saxes are still a little muddy and echoey.
When he went away.
Sounds good, Fran.
Thank you. Went home last night early, huh, Charlie?
Yeah?
Was your wife surprised?
No? Had roast duck for supper.
What?
She even cooked me a roast duck. Hear the buzz in the bass fiddle? You set to try one?
Yes, let's try one. Let's go, boys.
E1VB for A take.
The door's open.
Okay, we'll make it with the door open. Stand by.
Charlie, that's not definitely enough.
Yeah. Okay, you're right. All right. I think you better attack that third beat of the first bar. Trombones and saxes a little bit. E1VB for A take.
Stand by.
Stand by.
Excuse me.
Little saxes. In this take, you'll notice that I stopped the recording when Fran hit the letter C too hard in the word can't. Just listen for it.
Life is bad, gloom and misery everywhere. Stormy weather, just can't get my poor self together.
Okay, hold it. We had a very strong C on the can't that time, Fran. Almost popped us. It just sort of fell into it like that.
Where is it?
Look, she's so far behind. What's the difference?
Baba.
Yeah, but by the time she gets to this, you're over the bar, and it makes this thing more effective. You don't need it.
How about that trombone in the open?
I mean, it's too slow? She wants it slower.
That's what I mean.
Oh.
Charlie, how
Okay, trombone on the end of the introduction, the last couple of bars, a little too heavy. Are you standing up for that? You don't have to. Okay, stand by, hold it back. E1VB 4B take, stand by. A little more. Keep rolling, keep rolling. Another more trumpet. Now watch me on the saxophone.
There's no sun up in the sky. Keeps raining all the time.
Well, not too much trumpets here, Freddie. A little more saxes. Again. That's fine. Let's do another one right off the bat. It's very good.
Even a little slower.
Okay, a couple of little spots. Hold the band down a little bit all the way through, except first alto's, all right? And you can give her a little crescendo into D with a little excitement, then come down again. Let's go.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, we're ready.
Charlie, you want to take it even slower?
Well, it felt pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let's see what comes out of it,
I
Fran.
still feel like it should be slower. I don't know.
All right, hold it back a shade if you can. I think if we started a shade slower, we'll fall into it right.
Maybe that's it.
Let's go. E1 VB4 C take. Well, let's go, please. Quiet. We're waiting.
I'm waiting for you.
Let's, Hugo, we set? All right, quiet, please. Gentlemen of the orchestra, quiet. Are you set? Give me a go-ahead, Hugo. All right. Here we go. Stand by, please.
E1 VB number 4 C take.
Hold brass. Hold. I got it. Brass now.
Don't know there's the sun up in the sky.
You will now hear the third take on the session. Listen particularly for the word weather, and you will understand why I stopped this take.
Life is bad, gloom and misery everywhere, stormy weather. Just can't get my foot.
Okay. Was pushing you a little bit, Fran, for tempo?
You want to what?
I say, was that pushing you for tempo? It had a good feel out here, but...
No, it wasn't pushing me.
Okay.
Maybe I was too way behind.
A little bit. It had a good commercial feel being slow.
All right,
but
let's
not
keep
too
it in this
draggy.
tempo. It's my
Right.
fault.
And that
Yeah.
low note was a little shaky. That's why I stopped you.
All right.
Okay, Hank, you know those places where you got ba, 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 ba? Play those out a little bit, the tenors. All right, stand by, please. We're rolling.
E1 VB4 C take.
Plenty of brass on the intro, Freddie. Vocal comes in now.
Don't know why there's no sun up in the sky. Stormy weather since my man and I together. Keeps raining all the time.
That's good, Freddie.
Life is bad, gloom and misery everywhere.
A little more saxes.
Just can't get my poor self together.
Watch for brass here now.
I'm weary all the time. The time. So weary all the time.
That's good, Freddie.
When he went away, the blues walked in and met me.
That's fine.
If he stays away, old rocking chair will get me.
It's good, good, fine.
All I do is pray the Lord above will let me walk in the sun once more.
Now watch it, Freddie. Watch it.
gone. Everything I had is gone. Stormy weather since my man and I ain't together. Keeps raining all the time.
A little more brass.
Keeps raining all the time.
Little trumpets. Saxes. Excellent take. Excellent, Fran.
Thank you.
Terrific. We'll play that back.
Is that it?
Yeah, it's very good.
Okay.
Barbara, I gave you money for coffee, not sandwiches. You don't have to feed the whole crowd.
Don't be silly.
Maybe we'll have a hit record.
Hope so.
Bobby, keep your fingers crossed for it.